It's an uneasy feeling, having only a layer of cloth between you and thousands of busy little honeybees.
Should we be concerned that they're swarming us as well?
No, that's why you have the bee suit on. No.
Yeah, I'm just asking.
This bustling beehive is buzzing with activity.
Ah, there's one that's got more honey.
The results are gonna be delicious.
A bee lives 42 days, and it takes about 12 bees to make, working their entire lives to make 1 teaspoon of honey.
Oh my goodness.
It's a fascinating process, the creation of this nectar of the gods.
They're putting nectar in here, and they're going to convert this to honey.
That heavenly honey is made right on the grounds of Robard's, a beautiful steakhouse in the Woodlands. The honey harvested here adds sweet floral notes to many of the dishes, like this delicate spring salad with wild arugula, shaved asparagus, and plump fava beans.
So this is part of the honey that the bees just made us.
So good. Oh, wow.
The sweet syrup is also woven into this divinely delicious wild strawberry shortcake. There's a lot of attention to detail at this one-of-a-kind steakhouse.
They're ordering things from all over the world and the freshest of everything.
The restaurant's namesake, billionaire Howard Hughes, wouldn't have settled for anything less.
And the name Robard is actually Howard Hughes's middle name. It was important for us to bring in a lot of nostalgia that was reminiscent of his era. We're honoring this vintage legacy of the man and his maverick timelessness, pioneering spirit.
That pioneering spirit is on full display throughout the steakhouse.
This is a wall mural that shows the interior of the Spruce Goose airplane.
Check out the dinnerware.
Well, and now I see the pattern.
And the sensational bar top.
It's a gorgeous white onyx bar that is LED lit from below.
It all adds up to a gorgeous backdrop for the stunning dishes coming out of this award-winning kitchen.
It was excellent.
That was great. I love it here.
The chefs here have wide-ranging experience from all over the world, and it shows.
One of my favorites that we're showcasing here is our African Godzilla prawns. They're massive.
Robard's mouth-watering steaks are out of this world too. The over-the-top 32-ounce, 60-day dry-aged porterhouse is a massive, can't-miss masterpiece.
My absolute favorite is the akaushi filet.
He's talking about this ultra-tender, ultra-juicy Japanese akaushi filet from a herd raised right here in Texas.
All of these are literally like butter when you cut into them. There's so much flavor.
Kick up the wow factor even more with Robard's signature steak mud, a rich, delicious blend of spices.
Oh, that's delicious. Oh, I love that.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, something new and only at Robard's. I love that.
The seafood also impresses. There's creamy lobster risotto, giant Alaskan king crab legs, and perfectly cooked halibut with delicate wild morels.
Seafood here is amazing.
Even the homemade tater tots are worth talking about. Trust me, one order won't be enough.
It's like a 2-day process. We cook them, dry them out, hand pipe them, season them.
Beautiful foraged mushrooms get a sweet kiss of that Robard's honey.
That's phenomenal. It's the sauce.
Robard's desserts are showstoppers too. Executive pastry chef Ryan Witcher tirelessly tweaks his desserts until he's hit the sweet spot. His wife and kids are his taste testers.
Kids are like brutally honest.
One of their favorites is his award-winning Texas two-step donut sundae. Sweet Texas peaches tossed with brown sugar, vanilla bean pods, basil, and lemon juice are next.
Squeeze the juice out.
It already smells amazing.
Blade it all up with vanilla bean pastry cream, toasted Texas pecans, that sweet peach compote, then pile on the donuts.
Is there a right or wrong way?
No one's gonna complain about a warm donut someday.
No.
They won't complain about the finishing touch either. A generous dose of whiskey sauce.
I just drizzle it right
All
over
over
the
the
donuts.
top?
Yep.
Like that? Is that enough?
Do you like whiskey?
Yeah.
Oh, get some more in there.
This is one flavor explosion you'll want more of.
Oh, that's good.
There we go.
There's a lot to love about Robard's.
I love Robard's. It's a great atmosphere.
It's just a spectacular venue.